In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Auto Rotate not working on your Android phone. First, make sure Auto Rotate is enabled on your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. If Auto Rotate is already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it on again. Now, open the YouTube app and check if the video rotates when you turn your phone. If the problem still isn't fixed, go to your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap App Info. Next, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, then confirm your choice. After that, reopen the YouTube app and sign back into your Google account if prompted. Now play a video and rotate your phone. The video should now switch between portrait and landscape mode normally. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube Auto Rotate not working on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.